Chaudhry Pervaiz Elahi is a Pakistani politician who is the current Speaker of the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab, in office since August 2018. He has been a member of the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab since August 2018. He served as the first and only Deputy Prime Minister of Pakistan in 2013. After a successful campaign in the 2002 general elections, he became the Chief Minister of Punjab and held this position until 2007. In 2008, he served as the leader of the opposition in the National Assembly of Pakistan for a short time. He was a member of the National Assembly from 2008 to May 2018. He is the president of the Punjab division of Pakistan Muslim League. Chaudhry Pervaiz Elahi was born 1 November 1945 in Gujarat, Punjab to the industrialist Chaudhry Manzoor Elahi Warwick. He belongs to the Warriach clan of Punjabi Jats. He hails from a family of politicians and industrialists of Gujarat. Chaudhry received his early education from Foreman Christian College, Lahore till 1967 and later attended Watford College of Technology from where he received his diploma in industrial management. He is a cousin of former Prime Minister of Pakistan Chaudhry Shujat Hussain. He is married and has 2 sons. Elahi begun his political career after electing as the chairman of District Council of Gujarat for the 4 years in 1983. He served as Provincial Minister for Local Government and Rural Development for a period of 8 years from 1985 to 1993. He was elected as a member of the Provincial Assembly of Punjab for the first time in 1985, second time in 1988, third time in 1990, and fourth time in 1993. He also served as the acting leader of the opposition in the Provincial Assembly of Punjab from 1993 to 1996, in the absence of Shahbaz Sharif, who had gone to the United Kingdom for medical treatment. Several cases were registered against Elahi during Benazir Bhutto's government in 1993 to 1996, and he was sent to Adiala jail, where he spent several months. It was reported that Nawaz Sharif had promised Elahi that if PMLN won the 1997 Pakistani general election, Elahi would be made the Chief Minister of Punjab. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.